Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 1748, sum of unique elements. So in this question you just have to return the sum of unique element which is not repeating twice, okay, more than twice, okay. So let's do this. First you have to create unordered map of int type mp, and then you just have to traverse through for auto it in nums and mp of it plus plus, okay. And after this you just have to do the sum. I will create int sum equals to 0 and traverse through for auto it in mp int num is equals to int frequency int. First I will find the num. Int num equals to it dot first and int frequency equals to it dot second, okay. And I will check if frequency equals to 1, then I just have to add sum plus num, okay, num. And after this loop I just have to return sum. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.